who did it. No. But there was a larger team of political leaders. Then there was a larger team of Kamba leaders, local Kamba leaders, and some goods. So when they went on the ground, what they did is not that they sold the land to Kambas. No. If you look into the statistics of the land we are talking of, and the communities who have been mostly affected, 40% of people who are sold this Portland land are from Mount Kenya origin. Another 40% of people who are sold this land are from Kisii background. 15%, there is a 5% of Congolese. 5% of Congolese. Then there is a 5% of Kambas. Then there is 10% of leaders, because these leaders did not leave themselves with nothing. Some have 100,000 acres, 100 acres, some have 50 acres, some have 20 acres. It's only 5% of Kamba community who have been affected by these demolitions in the Portland land. The people who have been either affected are non-Kambas. 40% is from Mount Kenya region. 40% is from Kisii region. 5% is from Congolese background, refugees. But the people who have benefited from this money, the cartel, the mafia kind of formation, which has benefited from this money, is made up of total 100% Kamba leaders from a party which is dominant in Ukambani. This money has been funding that party for the last 10 years. That is the reality. And we have to bring it out so that it can go out there and be seen. So I want to tell our people, the Kamba community, it's only very few Kambas who have their houses demolished. If we compare the number of houses of the Kamba people who have been demolished in the Portland land, is only 10%. But 40%, another 80%, actually 85%. 80% is from some Kenyans from other regions, 5% is from some Congolese. Only 10% is Kambas. So, but all the money went to some Kamba leaders. No other person who gained advantage of this.